Everybody, happy July 4th. Welcome to the latest Glass Half Full. All right. This is 4 reasons to be thankful July 4th. Sonu, you hear me okay? We sound all right?
Yep, I can hear you.
All right. Well, let's just get into it, Sonu. Hopefully everyone had a good July 4th by the time you see this. What's the first reason to be thankful for, Sonu?
The U.S. men's national team is doing amazingly well in the World Cup. They just won their match against Bosnia Herzegovina yesterday. We're recording this on July 2nd, so July 1st in Santa Clara. The next game is on Monday against Belgium. So fingers crossed for that. No, all joking aside, no, I'm really positive on that. But one big reason to be thankful for, look, the economy is in good shape. We just got labor market data with slightly on the disappointing side, but payrolls have been, noisy over the last year and a half, you could argue. The big picture is over the last 3 months, payroll growth has averaged about 111,000, right, per month. Back in 2025, the average payroll growth per month was 10,000. We're a lot better than that. The unemployment rate is down to 4.2%. That's as good as an indicator as any as these things go. It tells you the labor market is doing okay. If the labor market's doing okay, the economy is doing okay.
Okay, no, that's a good one to be thankful for. I'll do number 2 here. We'll just take turns. At the midway point of the year, S&P 500 is up right under 10%. Now, that's a really good start to a year. But what made this year so fascinating, we've talked about it a lot, it's not just about the Mag 7 or large cap tech. Yes, tech has done fine, but the Mag 7's lagged. So you look at the 493, the other 493 stocks, that's up like low teens as of the midpoint of the year. So this broadening out theme is happening and it's real. Things like industrials are doing really well. Energy's obviously done well with higher prices, with oil, and a lot of these we understand that. Materials have done well. Health all of a sudden starting to do well. Financials are about flat on the year, but all of a sudden lately, the community banks, regional banks doing well. It's not just about a couple stocks. I think the broadening out theme is another reason the second half of this year should still be strong. So, Sonu, that's the second reason. What's the third?
Oh, inflation's hot right now. Inflation's elevated, especially core inflation. The good news is that oil prices have come down a lot, which means gasoline prices should be getting there, ever so slowly. Gasoline prices tend to go up faster than they come down. Yep. So that's positive for the consumer. But the other side of this, so think of that as reason number 3A, oil prices and gas prices coming down. But 3B is, what is the Federal Reserve going to do about inflation? For now, we don't think the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates. That would be one way a bull market dies. But at this point, we don't think that's going to be the case. Yes, markets are pricing in rate hikes for the rest of this year. We don't think the Fed is going to hike rates. We think they're going to stand pat. But at the same time, if the Fed is not changing policy rates, inflation's elevated, that means policy is actually getting easier. That's a tailwind for the stock market.
Okay. No pressure here on the fourth and final one. Maybe I'll do, you did A and B. Maybe I'll do A and B also. When the S&P 500 is up between 5 and 10% of the year, like this year. So a good year, but not a spectacular year, and by no means a poor year. The rest of the year, the next 6 months, actually does much better than average. And on average, your return for the full year is like mid-teen percentile. So those are some things to be thankful for. It's been a good start to the year, and it's kind of like porridge, kind of right in the middle. Now, for B, we talked a ton about this, Sonu, and you kind of hinted at it earlier. Earnings continue to go up. Profit margins continue to go higher. Those are the dual tailwinds in the market that have been in play, honestly, for a couple of years now and are still firmly in place. So, hey, economy is okay. Potentially labor market getting better. Inflation's there. Maybe more dovish Fed, and this bull market's alive and well. Sonu, I don't know, 30 seconds. What do you want to finish with? And I'll bring us home.
Go U.S. men's national team, and happy 4th, happy 250th.
All right. Well, listen, I want to thank my cameraman, Sebastian. He's done an excellent job. If he's moved his arm or anything, it's his fault. But everybody, thank you so much for listening to the Glass Half Full. 4 reasons to be thankful this July 4th. We'll see you by next week. Thank you. Take care.